Okay, hello, it's me again, Brian. Today I thought I'd show you guys, how to download images and video from your small point shoot digital camera. The camera that I'm using is a Nikon Coolpix L27. It's a pretty good little camera. It was fairly cheap over at Walmart, so that's the one that we're doing. And I'm also using LinuxMint 17.3, the Rosa, the Mate release. That's our operating system. So first off, you want to plug in your camera right there in the USB port, and then it pops open. Oh wait, I forgot, you gotta turn it on. Yeah, turn on the camera, sorry. Still learning here. See, there it pops open, and then the default tool that opens up is the Gthumb, right? We got a couple of images, videos right here. So we just want to make sure we got our destination on the desktop. That's how I like to drop my stuff. Hit the import button, and then it should just, you know what I'm saying, I'm just deleting this old OGV file, and then it just, imports from there. This is going to take a minute or two, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to talk a little bit, and then I'm going to pause the thing so we keep going. This record my desktop tool is the one that I'm using. I tend to use it, see there it goes, it's starting up, importing the files. I tend to use it on the default settings because I'm still new to this kind of a setup here, so and I'm learning as I'm going. So for me, so far I've discovered that the default settings are really excellent settings to do a lot of the things that I'm doing here. So that's where we're set at. So this importing the first one, it's going pretty fast. So what we're going to do is we're going to pause, and I'm going to start back up with both of these almost done. See, these are the two videos that we're dealing with. Now it drops them into the Gthumb library. This is your library right here, desktop, that folders, pictures, all that stuff. Here's the camera, Nikon Coolpix L27. So since we now have them stored in our library, I'm just going to close this down, right? And then I'm going to go up here and just right click and then unmount the camera and take it off so we don't have to deal with it. Now the cool part about the Gthumb tool is that it erases, it deletes the images and the videos from the camera, so you don't got to worry about that stuff. So there you go, just disconnect, put it to the side, and now we have these videos. All right, here, let's over with Handbrake, check to make sure. Okay, that one runs. Let's open with videos, make sure that one runs. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open these with the Handbrake tool and compress them, and it's going to convert them from the AVI file to the MKV file. So you just open it up, like I said, leave it on the default settings, click start, and it starts to encode it, and bingo, there you go. It just runs until it's done. This is going to take 1:33 seconds. So once again, I'm going to go up here and I'm going to right click on the record my desktop tool so we can pause. Okay, now that the encoding's done, it clicks back to the screen. So then you go ahead and close the tool, and see, so now we have this one, the AVI, and we have this one, the MKV. Here, let me put them up here so you can see them better. See, this one's AVI, then converted MKV. So now this one, we can dump in the old trash box of Rooney, and we can check the properties on this one. This one's now 138, 35.6 megabytes, where it was around 400. You know what I'm saying? So it's been compressed and converted, so now it's more compatible with YouTube. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take this one, 37, and we're going to drop it in the Handbrake tool. Let's check his properties. See first. See, it's 139 megabytes, right, to start with. So we're going to drop it in the tool. We're going to compress it and convert it so that we can, so that after this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the Openshot video editor, and I'm going to just splice them together into a quick little video, and I'm going to show you guys all of that. Right, so just hang on, my phone is beeping. Right, so we're going to let this one run and see what else happens. It's running along pretty fine. Look at that one. This one's going good. It's only got 14. See now how it's got a copy right here. This is the AVI MKV. See, so it's going pretty good. I like this Handbrake tool. It does a lot of cool stuff. It converts videos, it compresses them, it does cool things. You know what I'm saying? You can say, here we go. See, so it's done. Close the window. Let's take the old AVI and drop her in the trash box. Let's check the properties now. This one is dropped all the way down to 47. Right? So here we are. We have these two videos that we're gonna do something with. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna right click, I'm gonna open it up with the Openshot video editor. There it is. You grab it, it's already loaded in the tool, grab it, drop it down here, track 1, hit the button, and it's gonna play. I don't know if you guys are hearing the sound or not, but I'm just gonna pause right now, let it go. Okay, so now that that one's pretty much run the end here, we're going to grab the second clip and we're going to drop it in the tool, and then we're going to bring it down here and put it in track 1, and we're going to splice it together. Hit play, and there we go. So now this one's going to run for 38 seconds. So you've seen me do this a couple of times before, so I'm just going to stop right here and hit pause. Okay, so now we have the screencast video that we made, and you notice that it's an OGB file. This is incompatible with YouTube. So what we have to do now is you have to convert this, and the easiest way to convert it is to right click, go down to the Handbrake tool, right? It drops it right in, and then when it's ready, you hit start, right? And so what it's doing now is just converting it from the OGB to the MKV, right? Which makes it more compatible with YouTube. See, there it is. There's its copy, MKV. So right now I'm going to check the properties on this one. It's 60 megabytes. Remember, as it's converting it, it's also, compressing it. So we're going to go up here and we're going to, hit pause, and we're going to let this run. Okay, since now the encoding's done, we're going to close this window, and we're going to check the properties on the MKV file. Look, it's cut it by 2/3. So now we have the OGB that we can take and we can dump in the old trash box of Rooney, and now we have this video, right, that I'm going to splice together with the video that I'm making now, right, and then we're going to go from there, right? So that's how you download video from your point and shoot digital camera using LinuxMint 17.3 Rosa, the mate release, right, and the Handbrake tool. Right, it downloads them, it converts them, and then we even use the Openshot video editing tool to splice them together and make a little video. So I'm going to say thank you. I hope this thing was kind of, interesting, or at least, to say the least, educational. Right. In the meantime, thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel.